Hey everybody, just woke up, second night on the river. Stayed Friday night, Saturday night. This is Sunday, Father's Day. Happy Father's Day to everybody, all the fathers out there. Got my coffee on my Coleman stove. Like I said in my other videos, had that stove and that coffee pot 25 years, I guess, maybe 30 years, I don't know. Got to clean my skillet up. Made some fried chicken last night. Drunk too many chocolate milks and went to bed without cleaning my skillet. Took that tank off. I'm gonna refill it. Got a minnow trap. Been out there a day and a half. Hamburger meat in it, hot dogs in it, bread in it, pack of bologna in it. Been out there a day and a half. Gonna pull that in, get me some minnows in my bucket. This light runs off the battery. It's made to float on the water. Bought that when I had a boat. Never did put it in the water. Pretty handy. I can save my propane. Charge it up on my truck with jumper cables. Not much to make a video about here. Just woke up. Stayed by myself down here. Slept a little while in the seat. Slept a little while in the tent. Chocolate milk in that cooler. Got my food up there in that cooler. Fire went out. Went floating on the river yesterday in an aluminum john boat. Other friends were in 2 kayaks. There's the fire, what's left of it. Got a little bit of firewood left. On that 4-hour float on the river, took my lunch cooler with me with my chocolate milk in it. It's wet. Trying to get that dry out. Probably go to the store, get me a new one to carry my lunch to work in. There's the firewood. Bag of trash, bag of laundry, some water. Took that propane tank off that liner and put it in the ice to make it cold so it'll hold more. I'm going to turn that tank upside down on the tailgate, refill that green bottle of propane. So I'll pull that minnow trap in. I'm drinking my coffee right now out of this cup. When I get done with my coffee, I'm going to pull that minnow trap in and see if I got any minnows. Just a short video clip. I'll be back.